Hey there, hope you're doing well today. Want to show you a great way to work the abs with a stability ball. We have a ball here and you'll need a ball on a mat for your knees. And what you do is you kind of do a plank with the stability ball. But it works the upper body, the shoulders too, and you can do it a couple of different ways. But what you need to do is have your knees on the mat, have the ball close to you, put your palms, your hands fist down like so, and neutral grip, and have them close to your body, and then just roll out like so and come back in. And what you want to do is you want to roll out and kind of do like a mini plank by doing that, right? And it challenges your core, it challenges your shoulders. It's a great way to work the abs. And you do a little bit of a hold, come back, and again. Good. It's challenging. Feels good. Back. Let's do 10. Back, and of course reset if the ball gets away from you. 5. If you enjoy these exercises, please do subscribe. 6. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Hold that. Good. Do 2 more. And 1 more. Good, and hold it out there. Then come back. And you should feel that working the core, engaging those abs, kind of like a plank, but in a way a little bit easier because you're not just down there holding it, right? And it's good for working your shoulders as well. You could actually take the ball onto the wall, put your arms in it, lean into it a little bit, and do some rolls for your shoulders. Great way to warm up those shoulders, increasing the size circle as you go, working your range of motion, and do it the other way as well. To warm up those shoulders or just get a little more mobility. A lot of people get frozen shoulders. And that's a good way to work the shoulders and loosen them up a little bit at the same time. Maybe do that before you do the set on the floor for your abs too. That way your shoulders are more prepared for it. And you can vary and do different ways and enjoy that. Thank you so much for checking it out. Have a great day.